Today we're gonna be trying out the Sig 320 X-TEN, Sig's new 10mm. Fantastic gun, same modular system that 320s have. You could change it to any other caliber, pretty much. I don't think they have a 45 yet, but made a 10. So first off, we're gonna try some Federal 180 grain full metal jackets, and then we'll try some Federal 40 Smith & Wesson full metal jackets, 155 grains. Woo! I don't like that. Well, let's get going. Not bad. I like the 10 mil.
How's the point of aim?
Little low.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, that was super. What happened there? Well, I like 10 mil out of it better. 40 still works.
Didn't know it was gonna be that hot.
Aim a little low, I'll hit it typically. 40 Smith & Wesson, definitely more inaccurate than the 10 mil is. So, past that, I like it.
Hey, do you have any bug spray?
No, I don't have any bug spray.
So, it actually roughed up my hand a little bit with that aggressive texture. So I'm leaving dead skin on the frame, just with that recoil. So, I guess that's what happens when you shoot a 10 mil.
That's been something.
Glock 20 Gen 4. Run a couple rounds through it. Thanks to my buddy, let me try it out.
Okay, yeah, I couldn't figure it out.
You said aim low?
Yeah, it's got a pretty low point of aim.
Okay.
Or it does for me anyway. Fire in the hole. I like yours better. I'm aiming right on.
Exactly,
I'm
right?
aiming right on what I want to hit.
Oh, that's good. It's probably gonna be my bear gun.
I'm just wondering if I changed my sights on there, if it would make a difference.
Yeah, and then I'm like, I
'Cause
love
really
the
like these
irons.
sights a lot better.
Exactly. I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna throw an optic on there or not.
Yeah.
I don't think it's worth it.
Dad, you should
Does
throw a
this
reflex
come in
sight
a
on there.
compact model?
No, that's the only one.
Just the only. This is the only one.
Dad.
But see, that's still, I don't know, that's probably about the same weight. It might be a little top heavier than the Glock.
I think so.
This thing handles the recoil better than that Glock 20.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You should
You
put a
want to tell my
reflex sight.
viewers that?
You can edit it on there.
Well, I'd have to zoom in on us being far away. Between the Glock 20 Gen 4 and the Sig 320 X-TEN, definitely less felt recoil on the 320. Grip on there, still same thing on the 20. You're gonna feel it in your hands, and I would say even more. Yet this one does have a little more texture. You're gonna have better recoil management because you're gonna stay on target longer with that extra texture to the grip. With that extra inch, half inch, whatever it is on the barrel, get that extra sight radius, more accurate, better shots on target, better sight picture than Glocks, nasty. And it's already optics ready, good to go. Throw light laser combo, whatever you want on there. I love this thing. Great trigger, way better than Glocks. What's up guys? Today we have the Sig 320 X-TEN. This is Sig's new P320, chambered in 10mm. We're gonna try some different ammo today. Last time we tried the Federal 180 grains full metal jacket. Today we're gonna try PPU 170 grain full metal jacket. Let's try it. Got 15 round standard capacity, 170 grain. Ooh, it's stiff. Interesting. Stiff with the full 15 rounds, so it's kind of really hard to put in the 15th round. Then that slide was hard to rack with the 15th round in it, so hopefully that's not a problem on the next mag. It's hitting to the right. It's kind of weird. Last time we shot it, it felt dead on, but it is shooting off to the right. So I'm holding a little left. Now I'm hitting the right side of the target. Even on the big 8-inch target, it's about 5 inches right. And we're only at 12 yards. Ooh, I got that one. Is that on the bottom? It looks like I hit that one on the bottom. Oh, let's get it. We should try it from putting 15 in and then racking, because it had that extra gap. It still was sluggish getting it out of the mag, that 15th round. So if you're gonna get it, load it with 14 until the mag spring pressure is limited or lowered, and then you can run 15 after that. Maybe we should have backed up a bit. Oh, my targets are flying everywhere. Especially that little one. Woo! Bing! That one almost came off. As long as I don't hit the chains. Not as hot as I expect it to be, but pretty good. got 20 more rounds left, so we're gonna do each mag with 10. Unless we want to try 15 again, we might just do that. I'm gonna grab that target, move it back another 5 yards or so. All right, we moved our target back another 5 or so yards. So we're at 17 to 18 yards now. Hopefully we can still hit our targets. We'll still hit the big ones, just gotta make sure I hit the small one too. All right, we're gonna load up the 15 round mag first, then we got 5 round mags after that, just to see if that 15 rounds locked in, just to see if that 15th round is gonna give us problems on the rack. Yep, gets hang up. Oof. Yeah, it's a little tight. So just, if you're gonna get one, run 14 rounds in the mag until your mag pressure dampens a little bit, just so you get that 15th round with nothing happening. Or do 14 plus 1, make sure it's in there. I love the flat face trigger. It's amazing. This lever right here, that's the takedown lever. It's a good place to let your thumb ride on. Kind of like a speed lever, but not as big. With the recoil, you're definitely gonna slide off of it, but at least you give a little bit more recoil management there. A little high. There we go. I hit the one next to it. I'm trying to go for the small one. Got it. They're popping off my glasses. 5 rounds left. Oh, I hit it. Rapid firing works too. Well, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for joining us on Ancient and Modern Weapons. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell to be notified when videos drop. And remember, you're living the history of tomorrow, so go out there and make history. Have a good one, guys. Psh, thank you so much for staying till the end of the video. The video's over. What are you still doing here? Oh, you're waiting for the 500 subscriber giveaway. Okay, 500 subscriber giveaway. Sign up down below. Hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos drop. Like, comment, subscribe. Every comment is going to get you another entry into the giveaway.